Day 4 in Fiji, another day in paradise. This is our view, this is our bure. I'll admit now, most of this video is this buffet because it was freaking huge. We had coffee, fruit, cereals, breads, spreads, bakery items, pancakes, waffles, sauces, gluten-free stuff which we're excited about, porridge, sausages, bacon, condiments, mushrooms, curry, coconut rice, I don't even know what that was, more condiments, and a charcuterie board. This was plate 1, plus eggs, plate 2, and our final plate. So of course I had to thank head chef Ramesh. After breakfast we went and fed some fishies. Then we saw a helicopter take off, then a quick dip in the plunge pool, and I wanted to try this. But then this happened. Carly taught us some Fijian words along with all the kids.
This is why I came to Fiji. Yeah.
This was maybe one of my favourite parts of the day. Yeah. This is our new friend Tara. We hung out with her all day, drank champagne, swam, snorkeled, enjoyed ourselves. Here are some hard-working guys here. Joe showing off his muscles with the sunset. Joe showing his muscles again. Thank you, Joe. Then a relaxing night listening to the band and drinking champagne. Cheers!